What's the best way to shed water weight while on TRT?
I think it helps to know like where in the process someone is, because that's usually the biggest complaint when at onset, and you have to wait until obviously your level's stabilized. But if you're that worried about it, you can try like a natural diuretic like dandelion root or uva ursi or something like that. But honestly, sometimes like I don't know why doctors don't mention this to guys like, hey, the scale weight is going to increase. A lot of the times it'll go up, but then if it stays that way and your hunger increases from going on TRT and you find yourself maybe you're eating more and maybe not more of the right things, eventually it can turn to body fat, because a lot of the times we think it's water. And when a diuretic doesn't work for shedding water, that means it's fat and it doesn't go away. So
Yeah,
drinking water also, a lot of people are really dehydrated and walking around dehydrated. So adding electrolytes to what you drink as well too is something that's like forgotten about.
sure.
Yeah, I don't know. What do you
Guys,
do?
one of the big things, if you're taking weekly shots, so shots once a week, you wind up with a big spike on your shot day, and then it goes down, goes down, goes down, and
Yeah.
then next week, so you're kind of going up and down like this all week long. That can definitely make your body hold more water. If you increase your injection frequency, so take your weekly dose and divide it a little bit more, instead of having this big peak and then down and big peak, now you're kind of going like this and like this and like this. It's a little bit smoothed out. You might notice water retention's a lot better. Agreed with Ali about the diuretic. A lot of these issues happen with guys that just started off on TRT, that their bodies are still adjusting. They wind up
Yeah.
holding water, but once their bodies adjust to that new hormonal milieu, that water weight tends to shed. And again, you use the diuretic. Once it is gone, it typically doesn't come back. If it's coming back often, usually there's probably an issue with your protocol, insufficient frequency, maybe the dose is too high. You could have also some issues with liver that could be causing that as well.